Good evening. It is January 3rd, and we are obviously back up the boat. We are up in the foyer right now, opening up some boxes.
Still organizing.
Still organizing. Yes, the organizing march continues. We're going to try to get through the rest of the stuff on that shelf. Well, I don't know if we're going to get to the stuff because one of the boxes that's up here is that box right there that has the white tape on it is a storage chest to hold flammable items. The racket you hear in the background is the water transfer pump. We're pulling water from one tank over to the other because of course we took all the tools that were on this side and put them on this side. So needless to say, we're leaning a little bit, a couple degrees. I want to balance that out. We're up here just to continue organization. Later. Well, temporary location for the moment. Working on where everything's going to fit permanently. Later. Well, I think we are done for the evening of January 3rd. We got that shelf out. Got some more stuff off of that. Makes it a little more room in here. Still need to figure out what we're doing with the plasma cutter and welder. Cleaned up a little bit back here. Got some of the ropes that were back here hung up and kind of filled out that shelving. Later. Good evening. It is January 4th and we are of course back down in here doing organization again. That's all we're ever going to do from now on. It's just reorganize the boat. We're going to reorganize it from one side of the boat to the other side of the boat because we know how exciting that is. It's just as exciting for us, let me tell you. I dream to do organization. Oh.
We're going to take down the shelves over there.
Yeah, see, there's a door somewhere in there. Oof.
Can't.
Wrapped.
Nope.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Come on. Oh, jeez.
I don't think that's going in there, honey. Oh, maybe.
It's all... Woohoo!
Wow. Will it fit?
Oh, that's the shelf. Oops, catching the shelf. Back there. Now get your rope.
Hey.
Oh, I think it fits.
Okay, well that's one piece of welding here.
On that guy. Yay! One thing fit. Come help me out.
Uh-huh. She's stuck now. We're making it a short one tonight. Getting those areas cleared out, so we will, I guess, move on to something else tomorrow night. And either make new shelves or new flooring or new walls. Oh, choices, choices, choices. At least it's not organization. Good evening. It is January 5th, 2023. And we are up here in the media room. This is from our wire sorting the other day. We had lots and lots of wire cut off and we've sorted them by size so that we can hopefully organize it a little bit better for finding cutoffs, since we're going to be doing some wiring here shortly. But the plan for this evening is to start getting the boat ready for the tour video tomorrow. And we will put that out, and so we want it a little neater than it is right at this moment. Anyway, that's the plan. So we're just going to be doing some cleaning later. Good evening, or end of evening. We didn't really do that much in here other than move some stuff in here out of there because we were clearing out this back corner. So we vacuumed it and it had gotten some water from the rain. We want to let that all dry out real good, then we're going to clean it up, and then a lot of stuff that we stacked over here is going to come back over here so we can organize it later. Good morning. It is January 6th, 2022. We're back up here at the boat. Nice and bright and early. It's a nice sunny day, but a little chilly, about 60 degrees right now. But nothing to complain about, especially since we're working outside a little bit. Anyway, we are slowly emptying the stuff. We've already taken the stuff that needs to go to the storage area. Jeannie's packing up that box with some trash. I will be carrying it out in a moment. Guess we got some bags of trash down there too that we need to grab.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's our first order of business, is taking this stuff to the trash, and then we're going to load up. The rest of this stuff is going home. Well, the track saw and track will go to the storage shed when we're ready to cut flooring later this morning. The rest of the stuff is going to go home. In theory, we don't need it anymore. That's what we're up to later. Yep. Wire. Okay. Yeah, put it. Good afternoon. We are in what will be the master bedroom eventually. Right now it is our cutting room, but we've been back here cleaning it all up. Got a little bit more work to do in here cleaning wise.